doom doom.
Motorcycle
Doom doom.
chains.
Doom doom.
Motorcycle
Doom doom.
chains. Motorcycle, 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 chains. Motorcycle, 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 chains. Motorcycle, bum bum. Motorcycle, 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 chains. Motorcycle, 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 chains. Motorcycle.
Hold on a second. That's not a motorcycle. That's a crazy bus!
Hey gamers, it's Shep here. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I hope you enjoyed this absurdity. It's thanks to creative music artists like XPRTNovice, which you can find at Overclocked Remix, that I get inspired to take ridiculous detours into gaming entertainment. If you're a video game music fan, and I don't care what genre you're a fan of, you'll find something from a favorite of yours here. Thank you, and stay tuned for some more RPG content coming soon.